How to log in new Gmail. So if you want to log in new Gmail, then first of all you need to open up your Gmail application, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has that profile icon, and here you will have an option of add another account. Simply go for that, and from here you can choose your Google. Now you have to enter an email address to log into your account, and after entering the email address, tap on next, and then you have to enter the password. So if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option, but if you have not forgotten, then simply enter your password, and after entering your password, simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right. And now it wants you to get a two-factor authentication. So what you can do is you can get a verification code at your mobile number, or you can get a call to your mobile number which you have used to create your Google account, or you can use another device or computer to finish signing in, or you can confirm your recovery phone number, or you can get help. So you can choose any one of these options. So I've chosen the mobile numbers. What you have to do is you have to simply enter the mobile number which you have used to create your account, and after entering that mobile number you can simply tap on send, and you will receive a verification code to that mobile number. So you have to simply enter that code here, and after entering that code your account will be logged in. So that's how you log in a new Gmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.